This just in, fidget spinners. Today I thought I'd introduce you to a passion of mine, fidget spinners. This one's called Charlotte. This one's named Charlotte. Today I'm going to be showing you a few tricks with her. First trick is switching fingers. The core thing with this trick is that you're switching fingers from your middle finger to your index finger and then back again. Let's take a closer look. We start off spinning with our middle finger. Holding it on the edge, we then switch to our middle finger and then back again. Did you catch that? Pretty cool, huh? This next trick is called the pinch grip pass. All you need to do is get a normal grip going, but then extend your fingers out and then spin there, and you want to bring it over towards your other hand, have them ready, and just take it off the edge. This is the hand-to-hand pinch grip toss. It's very similar to the last one, except we're going to be passing it through the air into the other hand. Ooh. Nice. Now we're going to be using the skills we've just learned and stepping up our game a bit. Now we're going to combine all our skills into one big trick. Ooh. Thank you for watching. Remember to share and subscribe. I filmed part 2, so if you want to see that, hit like, and I'll release it once we hit 50 likes. And that's me, signing off.